Here's a script for a video on my wife cheated. I want to take her back. Structured for engagement and impact. Opening 0 o'clock to 0:20. Visual, serious, reflective tone, maybe dim lighting or a quiet room. Voiceover. My world shook. When I found out my wife cheated, I felt betrayed, lost, and unsure if I could ever trust her again. But deep down, I still loved her and I wanted to find a way back. Part A. Understand what happened. Why? Visual, thoughtful gestures, writing in a notebook, reflecting. Voiceover. Before trying to fix anything, I had to understand what went wrong. Was it neglect, distance, or mistakes from both sides? Blaming only her wouldn't help. Both of us played a role in our relationship. Honest reflection is the first step toward healing. Part A. Open communication. Why? Visual.com conversation. No shouting, just two people talking. Voiceover. I reached out to her, not with anger, but with the intention to communicate. I shared my feelings honestly, and I listened to hers. Understanding her perspective, even if painful, helped me decide if we could rebuild trust. Communication is the bridge to reconciliation. Part 3. Rebuilding trust. 1:32-10. Visual. Small positive gestures. Holding hands. Smiling lightly. Voiceover. Taking her back isn't about forgetting it. About building trust again, step by step. Setting boundaries, being transparent, and showing commitment are key. Both of us had to work, not just one side. True love isn't perfect. It's willing to fight for a second chance. Closing 2:10-2:30. Visual. Hopeful. Light softens. Maybe walking together or holding hands. Voiceover. If your love is strong and both of you are willing to work, healing is possible. It takes patience, honesty, and courage, but the love you save could be worth it. Text on screen. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more relationship guidance. If you want, I can also create a thumbnail concept for this video that immediately grabs attention and conveys emotion. Do you want me to do that next?